In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Geometry Dash from Steam. To get started, open the Steam client on your computer and make sure you are logged into your account. If Steam asks to update, let it finish so everything runs smoothly. You will also want a stable internet connection and a little free disk space for the download. Once you are on the main screen, you are ready to find the game. Head to the Store tab at the top of the Steam window in the search bar. Type Geometry Dash, then select the official store page from the results. Take a moment to confirm you are on the correct page by checking the title and reading the short description so you know you are getting the right game. Here, you can glance at the price, see recent reviews, and, if you'd like, skim the system requirements to make sure your computer can run it. When you are ready, click Add to Cart. Proceed to checkout to complete your purchase. Steam will guide you through the payment screen, where you can choose your preferred method and confirm the order. If Steam asks for any quick confirmations, just follow the prompts. When the purchase is complete, the game is automatically added to your library, which is where you'll install it. Next, go to the Library tab at the top of Steam. You'll see your list of games on the left. Select Geometry Dash. On the Games page, click the Install button. If you have more than one drive, Steam may let you choose where to put the game. You can keep the default location if you are not sure. Geometry Dash is a small download, so it won't take long. Check that you have enough space. Then confirm to start. You'll see a progress bar indicating download and installation. You can continue browsing while it finishes, and Steam will notify you when it's ready. Once the installation is complete, click Play to launch Geometry Dash. On first launch, Steam might quickly install any necessary components in the background. Just let it finish. When the game opens, you are all set. If you want, take a moment to adjust settings like audio and graphics inside the game so it feels just right. From here on out, you can start the game either from your library or directly from the play button on Steam whenever you are ready to jump back in. That's it. Thanks for watching.